Attention, health-conscious individuals. Today, we're tackling 10 foods diabetics should never eat. It's no secret that diet management is a crucial part of living with diabetes. But did you know that some foods, even seemingly healthy ones, can send your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride? We've compiled a list of 10 common culprits to steer clear from. So if you or a loved one has diabetes, this video could be a life changer. Ready to dive in? First on our list, sugary drinks. These seemingly innocent beverages are often packed with an alarming amount of sugar. Soft drinks, fruit juices, sweet teas, you name it, they're all culprits. On average, a single can of soda contains about 10 teaspoons of sugar. That's almost twice the daily recommended intake for adults. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Numerous studies have shown a direct link between these sugary drinks and elevated blood sugar levels. Consuming them regularly can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar, which is particularly harmful for individuals with diabetes. And fruit juices? They may seem like a healthier option, but don't be fooled. Many of them are just as sugar-laden as their fizzy counterparts. Plus, they lack the fiber found in whole fruits that helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Remember, water is always the best choice. Next up, white bread. Now, you might be wondering, what's so bad about white bread? Well, it's a prime example of a refined carbohydrate. The process of refining grains to make white bread strips out fiber, a crucial nutrient that slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. When you eat white bread, your body breaks down these refined carbohydrates rapidly, which can quickly raise your blood sugar levels. This is why white bread is a no-go for diabetics, but don't worry, bread lovers, there's no need to shun sandwiches and toast from your diet altogether. Healthier alternatives exist. Opt for whole grain bread, which unlike white bread retains all parts of the grain, the bran, germ, and endosperm. Foods made from these grains are rich in fiber and can help to control blood sugar levels. So remember, when it comes to bread, whole grains are your best friends here. Third culprit, full-fat dairy. This might be a hard one to swallow, but those creamy, full-fat dairy products we all love can have a darker side. They're known to raise blood sugar levels and even hike up your bad cholesterol. It's all down to the high saturated fat content, which can mess with your body's ability to regulate insulin. But don't worry, you don't have to ditch dairy altogether. You can still enjoy your cheese and yogurt, just opt for low-fat or non-fat versions instead. Number 4, fried foods. One word, trans fats. Fried foods are notorious for their high levels of unhealthy fats. These fats are linked with insulin resistance, a condition where your body doesn't use insulin properly, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. It's like giving a key to a locked door, but the key doesn't fit. So what should we do? Simple. Opt for healthier alternatives. Go for grilled, baked, or steamed options. They're not only delicious, they're better for you. Choose grilled or baked options whenever possible. Halfway through our list with sweetened breakfast cereals, they might be convenient and tasty, but they're often loaded with sugar while lacking in fiber. This combination can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, which is a no-go for diabetics. Instead, consider options that are high in fiber like whole grain cereals or oats. They're not just healthier, they also keep you fuller for longer. So, next time you're in the cereal aisle, look for high fiber, low sugar options. On to number 6, flavored yogurts. You might think you're choosing a healthy snack, but in reality, these can be loaded with added sugars. Many flavored yogurts contain upwards of 20 grams of sugar per serving. That's almost the entire daily recommended intake. Instead, opt for plain yogurt and sweeten it naturally by adding fresh fruits. This way, you control the sugar content and also get the added benefits of natural fibers and antioxidants. Remember, not all yogurts are created equal. 7th on our list, processed meats. These foods are often high in sodium and packed with preservatives, both of which can pose a serious threat to your health. Consuming too much sodium can lead to hypertension, while preservatives have been linked to a variety of health problems, including insulin resistance, a key factor in diabetes. Instead of reaching for that hot dog or salami, why not opt for lean, unprocessed meats? They're a much healthier alternative. Go for lean, unprocessed meats instead. 8th in line, packaged snack foods. Don't be fooled by the convenience of these pre-packaged delights. Most are loaded with hidden sugars and unhealthy fats, a double whammy for anyone trying to manage their blood sugar levels. It's a tricky business navigating the snack aisle, but worry not, there are healthier alternatives. Try reaching for whole fruits or perhaps a handful of nuts. These natural goodies are not only tasty, but also packed with essential nutrients. Whole fruits and nuts are great snack options. 9th food to avoid, high sodium foods. Sodium, an essential mineral, plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance in our bodies. However, an excess of it can lead to hypertension, which is a common concern among those with diabetes. High blood pressure, when left unchecked, can lead to serious complications like heart disease and stroke, both of which are already high-risk conditions for individuals with diabetes. Where does all this sodium come from, you might wonder? Well, a significant amount comes from processed and restaurant foods. This includes canned soups, fast food burgers, and even that seemingly harmless bagel from your favorite bakery. So the next time you're about to dive into that bucket of fried chicken, remember it's not just about the fat and the calories, but also the salt. There's an array of lower sodium alternatives available, like fresh fruits and vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to salt. And finally, number 10, alcohol. Now, some might say that a glass of wine here and there can't hurt, right? Well, the truth is a little more complex than that. Alcohol can play a tricky game with our blood sugar levels. It can cause them to either spike or drop, leading to hypoglycemia, a condition that can be dangerous for those living with diabetes. Moreover, alcohol can mess with diabetes medications. It's a bit like throwing a wrench into a well-oiled machine. It disrupts the balance, making the medications less effective or unpredictable. And don't forget the hidden sugars in many alcoholic beverages, which can send blood sugar levels soaring. But we are not saying you need to banish alcohol from your life completely. If you choose to drink, do it sparingly and never on an empty stomach. It's all about balance, moderation, and making informed choices. So, raise a glass to your health, and make sure it's a mindful one. And there you have it. 10 foods diabetics should never eat. From the sugar-loaded traps of sweetened drinks and breakfast cereals, to the sneaky sodium hidden in processed and packaged snacks. We've navigated through the deceptive allure of white bread, full-fat dairy, and flavored yogurts, and highlighted the harmful impact of fried foods and processed meats. And let's not forget the surprising entry on our list: alcohol, a beverage that can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels. Each of these foods presents a challenge to maintaining stable blood sugar levels, and by avoiding them, you're taking a significant step towards better health. Remember, knowledge is power. Keeping informed about what you consume can make a world of difference to your well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And check out this other video on the screen for more health-conscious content. Until next time, stay healthy.